Would it surprise you if I told you that there's cameras inside Code Day Spa that monitor the massage rooms?
就是他，你会很惊讶吗？他告诉你，就是在那个 SPA 里面。
我会很惊讶。
She's surprised.
Okay. So we know what takes place inside that spa. It's not just massages.
所以他们知道里面发生了什么事情。
Okay.
不是光是按摩，他说里面这个事情是要按摩，但是还有别的事情，他装的这个电源是这都看到。
We know that men go in there, pay for a massage at the front, go with you guys to the back, and then it's much more than just a massage. We know that you guys have sex with them. Okay? I know this is not the funnest thing to talk about, but we know this is what happens.
Somebody made her come here and made her do this, or somebody tricked her into coming here and made her do this, and she's just afraid to talk. I have services. We have a house set up, we have therapists set up, we have medical attention if she needs it.
But she's still, right now, she's still maintaining that she's not a victim, right?
No. She's not saying that she's not a victim. She's saying that she doesn't trust.
Okay.
But that doesn't mean that she's saying that she's not a victim.
So she's kind of like in the middle somewhere.
Okay.
So,